Hello friends, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another problem in 1D motion. This is a general problem which can be applied to specific questions in case they give some values for these variables. Then there can be much more specific questions, and I will give you some problems today for old JEE questions which you can solve by yourself. Try this out based on the same problem. Okay, the problem goes something like this. A person traveling along a straight line travels at v1 velocity for a distance of s1 and velocity v2 for time s2. Find the average velocity of that person. Let us look at this. Okay. So the same thing here you have for a distance s1 he is traveling at v1 and s2 he is traveling at v2. Okay. So this is similar to the previous problem, but here instead of time, space is there, okay, or space or distance is there, okay. So this has to be done with the definition of average velocity. What is the definition of average velocity? Definition of average velocity is total distance divided by the total time, right? So total distance is equal to s1 plus s2, and let us say for going for this s1, t1 time is taken, while traveling s2, t2 time is taken. So you will have this as t1 plus t2 here, right? Now this, see, we know s1 and s2, t1 and t2 we do not know. We know velocity v1 is actually equal to s1 divided by t1, right? So s1, or we can say t1 is equal to, because t1 is one thing we have to find out which is not known, s1 is known for us, right? So it is s1 by v1. Similarly, we can write t2 is equal to s2 by v2. And let us substitute this here. So you will get s1 plus s2 divided by, instead of t1 we will substitute s1 by v1, and instead of t2 we will substitute s2 by v2, right? So now here when we simplify this, you will get this as if it is taken up, so you will have s1 plus s2 divided by, we can have here v2 s1 plus v1 s2, and common LCM goes here as v1 and v2. So we will get the average velocity as v1 v2 into s1 plus s2 divided by v2 s1 plus v1 s2. This can go as a formula for competitive exam preparation. Now there is a special case where s1 is equal to s2. In case s1 is equal to s2, then this will go as, in case if s1 is equal to s2 is equal to s, then this would be v1 v2, or v average would be v1 v2 into 2s divided by v2s plus v1s, right? This can be equal to 2s into v1 v2 divided by s. We can take it outside. Inside you will have v1 plus v2, and s can be cancelled, and you will get this as 2 times v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. This has been asked in a number of competitive exams. So if s1 is equal to s2, then v bar is equal to 2 v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. So this is a special case when this is only applicable when s1 is equal to s2. Now in line with these problems, I want you to solve some more problems, students, by yourself, and I will be solving this problem later on, but for now I want you to try by yourself. So these are the problems. These are the exercise question. The first question I have taken from Irodo. Okay. Second problem I have taken from JEE 2023 paper, and third problem also from JEE 2023 paper. I would like you to solve this problem to get much more grip over the subjects. So thank you very much, students. Happy learning.